what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing an unboxing and review on a electric toothbrush. Kind of weird for the channel, but hey, we do product reviews over here as well, you know, so check it out. This is the Apex electronic toothbrush. Yeah. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to let you be the tester. I want you to tell me what you think.
I think it's like a Becky toothbrush.
Like a Becky toothbrush?
Yeah, like this.
Oh my goodness, he said it.
Already 2 minutes in the video and I'm farting.
Yeah, don't fart in the video. That's not good. I like the packaging already. It's pretty nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open it up. Oh, ready?
Yeah. I love it. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, calm down. It's gonna be okay. Oh, wow, this is actually pretty nice. I'm gonna have to bring this up to the camera and show everybody here. Hold on. Check it out, you guys. Look. Ah, look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. All right, come on. Let's try it out. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Didn't see you sitting there. Slide over. Okay.
What is this?
I have no idea. This might be like the instruction manual. Yep, instructions.
I thought it was a car.
Comes with a little charging dock, which is pretty cool. With a USB. Okay, and it has 2 different styles of brushing heads. Sensitive and clean. We're going to hook it up with the sensitive one just to see. Okay, that goes like that. This comes off of here like this, I'm going to guess. Yep. Stick this on here like so.
Can I keep this?
Hold on, let's try it out first. Let's turn it on.
Does it even charge?
Oh. Look at that.
Oh,
and it has different settings. Wow. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4 different settings. Okay, we gotta show the camera. So you just turn it on, right? And you press the little setting button. Hold on, don't touch it. Hold on.
Oh, that's sick.
Alright, you try it. Brush your teeth. Put it in your mouth and try it. Alright, I'll try it. Oh, I like that. Oh, yeah.
That's so cool.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry, but I never thought I would do a toothbrush review on my channel, but this... Anyway, so yeah, so this thing is, it's pretty wild.
It's
for an electronic toothbrush. Like I said,
try the other one.
it comes with 2 different heads, comes with a charging base. The link is down in the description box if you want to check this thing out. I chose the white and gold model. They have a couple different colors. Yeah, this... I gotta go put some toothpaste on this and really try it. But anyway, this is pretty neat.
Wait, I want to show them it.
Go ahead, go show them the box. Show them on the back of the box the different colors. Okay. So yeah, so check out the link in the description box. Alright, you finish up the video. Tell them what to do.
Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and watch all our videos. And yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.